Good times to all of you. Hello, my dear students of 10th class. I think today we are going to wind up our discussion on the chapter second, acids, bases, and salts. Most important part of this chapter is important properties of acids. Bases are not given that much importance, only name and the formulae. And the most important part, most likely questions which come in the examination are from salts. In that we have learnt some important salts what we use in our day-to-day life. In our previous discussion we understood how plaster of Paris was prepared and where it was used. Now today we will discuss some MCQs on the second chapter. So once again I welcome you all for the MCQ part of the second chapter. Question number 1. Some fruits like mango, lemon, raw grapes, orange, etc. have a sour taste due to the presence of which acid? Question. Okay. Acetic acid, citric acid, lactic acid, and oxalic acid. Okay. Acetic acid is organic acid. Okay. Lactic acid is not that much sour. Oxalic is very strong. It corrodes our what tongue. Therefore, this is not allowed. Only it is what we use every day in the form of lemon. This is what citric acid. So answer is citric acid. Zinc granules on treating with an acid X form the zinc sulfate along with the evolution of gas Y, which burns with a pop sound when brought near to a burning candle. The question is, identify the acid X and the gas Y. What is the clue here? Clue is metal is zinc. Zinc is reacting with what? X, giving zinc sulfate. Kindly recall our previous discussion. Sulfates are formed from the sulfuric acid. Chlorides are formed from the hydrochloric acid. Carbonates are formed from the carbonic acid. Nitrates are formed from the nitric acid with metals. This is the very famous reaction between metal and the acid to give salt and hydrogen gas. Okay. So instead of asking directly, he has asked in this way. Okay. These are called HOTS, high order thinking questions. Okay. Right. So because zinc is already given here metal and salt formed is zinc sulfate, naturally acid must be which contain SO4 ion, that is sulfuric acid. Then which gas comes which burns with pop sound? That is naturally hydrogen gas. So X is sulfuric acid and the Y is hydrogen gas. Where it is? It is there. In which option? Sulfuric acid oxygen? No. Hydrochloric oxygen? No. Sulfuric hydrogen? Yes. Hydrochloric hydrogen gas? No. The correct answer is this one. Okay. C. Sulfuric acid and the hydrogen gas. Question number 3. The figure given below represents the experiment carried out between conch sulfuric acid and sodium chloride, which react with each other to form HCl gas. Please go through. Okay, this is conch H2SO4, strong. Conch means concentrated in HCl. Okay, then here HCl gas comes out. Okay, and he is using the litmus paper. Right, this is delivery tube which delivers the gas. Right, let us see the first options. Blue litmus paper is brought near the mouth of the delivery tube to check the presence of HCl acid, but no change is observed in the color of litmus paper because that means litmus paper has not changed its color. Why? The litmus paper used is dry. The litmus paper used is moist. Blue litmus paper does not change its color with an acid. The litmus paper is kept very close to the mouth of the delivery tube. This is very not a good answer. Okay. In the moist, reaction happens. Okay. And the coming gas is what? HCl gas. HCl turns blue to red. No doubt. He has brought the blue litmus. So it has to change to red. Why it is not changing? Because it is a dry. I told you HCl in water. HCl with moisture gives the hydrogen ion concentration and that acts as an acid because it is a hydrogen donor according to the Arrhenius theory. Therefore, this reaction happens only in the moist. But the question is what? It is not changing. Why? The litmus paper used is dry. Okay. So the correct option is for the question number 3 is A. The litmus paper used is dry. Which of the following phenomenon occur when a small amount of acid is added to water? Acid adding to water, small amount of acid. Ionization, neutralization, dilution, salt formation. These two are same, salt and neutralization. Okay, these two are ruled out. Why ruled out? Because we are adding small amount of acid to the water. Okay, now we are not adding acid to the base. Therefore, 2 and 4 are ruled out. Now you have to think of the 1 and 3. Okay, so when we add small amount of acid to the water, it is acid ionizes. Okay, at the same time acid is diluted. So it is both are happening at a time. So 1 and 3 are correct. Let us see option. 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 2 and 3, 2 and 4. It is 1 and 3. Where it is 1 and 3? Option number 2. This is correct. Which of the following indicators turn red in an acidic solution? Phenolphthalein, litmus, turmeric, and methyl orange. All these are indicators. They are called as acid base indicators which will give color change. Okay, right. Now options. No options. This is directly only. Okay. Red, which turn red in acidic medium. Okay, phenolphthalein. This we have to do actually practical. Litmus changes what? In the case of what acid, it is blue to red. Blue to red. Turmeric, methyl orange. So it is litmus changing red from blue. Oh, choose the correct option. He has given all four. No. Okay. The correct choice is C. Which one is there? 1 and 3, 2 and 3, only 3, 2 and 4. What is 2? 2 and 4. Methyl orange also changes slight red. Actually, it is the chocolate color. When you do the practical, you come to know. So now we will take before the without doing the practical 2 and 4. When you do the practical, you will understand. Okay. Now, dilute acid does not produce carbon dioxide on being treated with what? Marble, lime, baking soda, or limestone. It is with lime. Okay, it is with what? Lime. So dilute acid does not produce carbon dioxide with lime because lime contains CaO. With marble, CO2. With baking soda, CO2. With limestone, CO2. Only with lime, it will not produce CO2. Identify the products of the following reaction. Okay. CaCO3 plus 2HCl, very famous. Okay. So when the acid reacts with the carbonates, first carbon dioxide comes out, then the corresponding salt CaCl2, then water. Okay. So products are what? Products are carbon dioxide. Okay. Then water. Then calcium chloride. Let us see the options. Calcium, hydrogen carbonate, chlorine gas, calcium chloride water, calcium oxide, carbon dioxide and water, calcium chloride. This is the option D. Okay, right. Now, the sample of soil from particular place was tested for its pH value. It came out to be 5. Which one of the following should be added to the soil to make it suitable for the plant growth? pH is 5. 5 is less, means it may be acidic. Okay, for acidic we have to use a basic one, right? Okay, calcium chloride, calcium hydroxide, calcium oxide. Choose the correct option. 192, 192, 2 and 3, and only 1. What is the choice here? What is the choice here? pH is 5, acidic. We have to use the base. Which is the base here? It is a salt. So this is a natural base. This is also basic oxide. Therefore, 2 and 3, where it is? Here it is. Okay, right. Now, we'll go for one more question now. An ant's sting can be treated with dash, which will neutralize the effect of the chemical injected by the ant sting into our skin. Choose the correct option from the following to be filled in the blank space. Methanoic acid, formic acid, baking soda, caustic soda. So I told you baking soda has got the basic property because it is injecting a acidic property. Therefore, to neutralize the acid, you have to apply baking soda available in the kitchen. Okay, answer is baking soda. In the following reaction, identify the salt formed. This is the ammonium hydroxide, sulfuric acid, acid-base reaction. Salt is what? So this gives H. This gives what? OH. So OH from here becomes water. Remaining is what? Ammonium sulfate. So salt is what? Ammonium sulfate. Where it is ammonium sulfate? This is ammonium sulfate. So the option is B. So I think we are clear with the MCQ how to select, why to select. Okay, which is the most correct. So in our next class, let us see whether we can continue with the MCQ or we'll go for the first chapter. We'll decide later. Okay. Thank you, my dear students.